Followers, reach, comments, great, but what do you actually do with them? That's the question that Insights answers, and I'm going to show you exactly how in the next couple of minutes. Let's start with all of your channels in one place. Say you want to see how things went in a specific month. Just type it. You don't have to worry about fiddling with the calendar picker, just type it like you'd say it, and Insights figures out the range for you. And this data doesn't just live here, it connects to everything you already use, including your favorite AI agents. But more on that a bit later. Want to zoom in? Filter by channel so that you can focus on just the networks that you care about right now. Or you can filter by tag. So if you've tagged a client's content or a campaign, you can look at those numbers by themselves. At the top, you get the summary. Posts, followers, comments, reactions, and it's compared to the previous period so you can see if you're trending up or down. And if you like what you see, there's a neat little share to social summary card. You can also just send this straight to a client. Scroll down and you'll see your top 5 posts ranked by either reactions or comments, whatever you're optimizing for. This is the fastest way to spot what's actually landing with your audience, so you can do more of it. All right, let's go one level deeper into a single channel. Takeaways give you easy to understand next moves for your content. It might be changing your posting frequency, posting more often, or reposting some of your best content. Below that is performance per post, reactions, comments, engagement rate, and so forth, all side by side, so you can see what's working and what's not. And if you want deeper metrics, content insights and audience growth show you these trends over time. And here's a pretty handy one. You can also check how your growth stacks up against other similar accounts that use Buffer. Now, when you need to take this outside of Buffer, whether that's for a client report or for your own records, you can export to PDF or CSV in a single click. You can also export to Markdown. So if you want to hand your data over to an agent, it's in a format that's ready for them to read. Or you can skip the export step entirely and use Buffer's MCP server to connect Insights directly to the agent of your choice. Maybe it's Claude, maybe it's ChatGPT. Ask it to summarize your month, spot trends, or draft your next report. It'll pull directly from your real Buffer data. Whether you're a solo creator or an agency reporting to a client, Insights will show you your next move. It's free. Give it a try today at buffer.com/insights.